Hello everyone, my name is Kenji, the account manager of Aetina. It's very nice to meet you all in air. Today, our main topic is autonomous vehicle. From Aetina's side, you might be interested in what kind of solution Aetina can provide for our customer. So, later I will share our application cases with you to let you know how autonomous vehicle is used in our daily life. Okay, let's move forward and check AI plus machine vision meet the challenge at the front end. Okay, first, I would like to briefly introduce Aetina to you. Established in 2012, Aetina has its headquarters in Taipei, Taiwan, focusing on industrial-grade GPU graphic card solution based on NVIDIA GPU technology. Since 2014, we have been devoting ourselves to edge AI computing platform, especially NVIDIA Jetson family. Being NVIDIA preferred partners, we co-work more closely with NVIDIA and expect ourselves to be professional provider of the edge AI solutions, including the hardware and software. Okay, let's move to the application cases today. The first one is about smart warehouse. As we know, a smart autonomous vehicle robot, or you can say AMR, in warehouse is designed not only to improve labor efficiency, but also to enable faster turnaround time. As a result, it can make inventory level and the handling procedure better and more transparent. In this case, we have AMR with robotic picking grippers and containers. It is trained by object detection and image recognition. So, when acquiring an order, it will navigate autonomously to the deck where the goods are located, detect the shelf, identify the item, and then collect the target goods. All the image data are consumed by high-resolution 4K cameras. Moreover, the collecting data of shelves and inventory will be transmitted to the backend staff through wireless internet. Therefore, we can even build an information control room to monitor multiple AMR at the same time to gain real-time insight with effortless management. The second application case is about smart patrol drone in borderline. Patrol mission face severe challenge with rampant crime such as smuggling, and an increasingly concern is raised with more diversified form of the crime. To be able to cope with the complexity and diversity of the threat effectively, much higher requirements need to be satisfied to ensure the peace and security near the borderline, such as high patrol efficiency and fast reaction speed. Furthermore, due to the harsh environment and complex geographical conditions, it is very dangerous for border guards to patrol manually. And the widespread use of the camera is also difficult with its high cost. Therefore, it is meaningful to apply the patrol drone or unmanned aerial vehicle UAV to the borderline. So, in this case, with the integration of high-resolution camera, GNSS module, air quality sensor, and 5G LTE module, patrol drone can transmit the real-time image, location positioning, and air quality status to the backend control room. And then, patrol guard can decide how to react based on the different situation. Okay, this is what Aetina is doing now. We can provide edge AI solutions with the integration of the accessory. For example, most of our solutions can connect our parent company, InnoDisk product, called InnoEdge, the first hybrid SSD with Microsoft Azure Sphere inside. It can support the dual-band network management for system remote recovery or reset in case of system crash. Moreover, we also integrate the product from our group team members, like AnswerTech GNSS module, Minitronic Wi-Fi 6 module, and 6 Inno air quality sensor to fulfill the demand from our clients. Except for group member product, we also co-work with our ecosystem partners to expand more peripheral in our approved vendor list. With AVL support, our clients have more options to choose based on their requirement, and then deploy in a very short time to save their cost and resources. Well, there are much more autonomous vehicle application cases in our surroundings, but I just named few today. Aetina JSON solution played an important role in edge computing engines for autonomous AI devices. If you would like to get more information about our product and solution, welcome to contact us by email sales@aetina.com, or you can fill out the online inquiry form by scanning the QR code here. Most important of all, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. More details to visit our official website. Thank you for joining us today. See you soon.